Regular cleaning is the key to maintaining your Vissani portable air conditioner's efficiency, lifespan, and air quality. Understanding why cleaning matters and how to do it properly will save you money and keep your unit running at peak performance. Regular cleaning maintains three critical aspects of your air conditioner's performance. First, it maintains efficiency by ensuring proper airflow. Second, it extends the unit's lifespan by preventing component damage. Third, it improves air quality by reducing allergens and bacteria buildup. Neglecting maintenance leads to serious problems. Your unit will struggle to cool effectively, consume more energy, and increase your electricity bills, and become a breeding ground for allergens and bacteria that can affect your health. The air filter is your first line of defense against dust and particles. A dirty filter restricts airflow and reduces cooling efficiency significantly. Clean it every 2 weeks during heavy use by following these simple steps. The evaporator and condenser coils are critical for heat exchange. Dust buildup on these coils reduces efficiency dramatically. Use a vacuum with a brush attachment to gently remove dust and inspect them regularly for any signs of damage or excessive buildup. Safety is paramount when cleaning your air conditioner. Always unplug the unit before starting any maintenance work. Having the right tools makes cleaning easier and more effective. A vacuum with brush attachment, mild detergent, and soft cloths are all you need for most cleaning tasks. Remember, consistent cleaning every 2 weeks during heavy use will keep your Vissani portable air conditioner running efficiently, saving you money on energy bills and ensuring clean, cool air for years to come. The first maintenance step is cleaning the air filter. Remove the filter from your Vissani unit, typically located at the back or side panel. You have two cleaning options: wash the filter with cool water or vacuum it to remove dust and debris. If washing, gently shake off excess water and ensure the filter is completely dry before reinstalling. Step 2 involves cleaning the evaporator and condenser coils. These components are crucial for heat exchange and cooling efficiency. Use a soft brush or vacuum to remove surface dust from the coils. For deeper cleaning, apply a coil cleaner or a mild soap and water mixture. Then gently wipe with a cloth. Step 3 focuses on water tank maintenance. The condensate tank collects moisture and requires regular cleaning to prevent bacteria and mold growth. First, unplug the unit and remove the drain plug to empty the tank completely. Then, rinse the tank with a mixture of water and white vinegar to kill bacteria and prevent mold formation. The final step is cleaning the exhaust hose, which removes hot air from your room. Proper maintenance ensures optimal airflow and prevents blockages. Detach the exhaust hose and inspect it for dust, debris, or mold. Use a long brush or vacuum to remove any blockages, then clean the exterior with soapy water and ensure it's completely dry before reattaching. Following these detailed maintenance steps regularly will keep your Vissani portable air conditioner running efficiently. Clean the air filter every 2 weeks during heavy use and perform comprehensive maintenance monthly for optimal performance and air quality.